Okay, we're back to the scene today, and as you can see right off, there's some blue tape and some spray foam that's actually along the entire perimeter of the layout. We had to fill in the gaps between the fascia and the rest of the layout, so we're gonna get that trimmed out and get some ground foam on it, get that looking good. Several trees to plant, namely right here on this mound, and a few others throughout the layout as the customer has went through and saw some areas that he would like some trees. And I've got some people to put down in the HO area. It's a great view right here. He also wants us to clean up the river and just overall kind of vacuum the layout a bit. Gets kind of dusty, as with all or most layouts. Also need to get this station platform weathered a bit more, a little bit more rust along here. Okay, so all the foam, spray foam, has been trimmed around the entire perimeter of the layout. There are some spots that had some gaps that we didn't get the foam in. So we'll put some caulk in there and plant some bushes. And this will have to be painted, and then we'll put a first layer of ground cover along there. Blend that in a bit. Okay, station platform has been weathered to Mr. Harmon's liking. It's all lit up. Lastly, went ahead and added some more turf, not only on the shoulder, because we only had the fine stuff before removing the tape, but we did add some in the center too because it looked a little thin at first. I think that turned out pretty good. Did the same thing on the other side, and I'll show you that too. Did so, same thing on the edge here, just to give it a fresh and fuller look. I think it makes a big difference. And as you can see, we removed the tape to reveal the fascia. I think that came out pretty good. And this is what we did again on the other side with adding the turf. So everything looks nice and fresh. And as Mr. Harmon said, new carpet. You can see the variation in the color, which is what we were going for. Looks good. Got these lit up. A couple little trees in here we planted. Mr. Harmon says all the Christmas trees in this section here. Dave had these printed out. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Used to be blue. We won't go there and say who that was thought to represent. Here's a look from the other side at the people that I've installed. They go quick. But the town is starting to come to life. All right, so I finally got this hairpin fencing installed around the station. It's very fragile, so we had to wait towards the end so that we don't do any damage. So we got it on this side. And I'm trying to be slow here so I don't make you dizzy. And we got it here on this side. Did have to trim a bit off the ends. It was probably about 1.5 inches too long, but that's better than being too short. And I went ahead and got that in place. And the customer loves it. Looks really good.